Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS16R1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your laptop sounds like a jet engine, it may be due to a failing fan. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate, causing the fan to work harder than necessary. If left unaddressed, this can lead to overheating and potentially damage internal components. Therefore, timely intervention is crucial to prolonging the life of your device. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some compressed air to clean out dust. First, ensure your laptop is turned off and unplugged. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep track of the screws as they can be easily lost. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel off, locate the fan. It should be clearly visible, usually situated near the vent. Carefully disconnect the fan's power cable from the motherboard by pulling it out gently. Now, remove the screws securing the fan in place. Remember to apply a consistent force, but don't over-tighten. Once the screws are out, lift the fan out carefully. If you feel resistance, double-check that all screws are removed. Clean the area of any dust or debris using compressed air before installing the new fan. Ensure the new fan is properly aligned and secure it with screws, then reconnect the power cable. Once everything is back in place, replace the back panel and reinsert the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent your laptop from sounding like a jet engine in the future, make sure to clean the vents regularly and consider using a cooling pad during intensive tasks. This will help maintain optimal airflow and keep your device cool. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.